Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install FreeCAD on your Windows PC, step by step, fast and easy. FreeCAD is a free and powerful 3D modeling software, and whether you're a student, designer, or engineer, this guide will help you get it installed correctly. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official FreeCAD website, freecad.org. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the video description so you can access it easily. Once the website opens, click on Download Now. This will take you to the download page. On the download page, you'll see different versions for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux Go. Ahead and select the Windows installer. This will start downloading the installer file, which is usually a few hundred megabytes depending on the version. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows shows a security message asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes to continue. Now the setup window will open. Click Next. Read the license agreement and click Next again. Check the option Install for anyone using this computer and click Next. Choose your installation location, or just leave the default. Then click Next. Make sure all the components are selected and click Next one more time. Now click Install. Wait a moment while FreeCAD installs on your computer. Once it's done, click Finish. FreeCAD is now installed on your Windows PC. You can open it from the desktop shortcut or by searching FreeCAD in the Start menu, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed FreeCAD on your Windows computer. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.